Hi everybody, this is Ali Pikoski with Miamar Travel Organizers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to answer this question. How long do travel size toiletries last? Before I go on, if at any point you like what you see, would you please like this video? It helps me more than you know. You can also subscribe and you will be notified when I upload the next video. Now, let me answer this burning question. The time I recorded this video is in the month of April. And as you may know, during this month, we are in full-blown spring cleaning mood. Everybody's getting their house in order, they're decluttering, they're getting rid of things that they haven't used in months and in some cases years, and they're updating their wardrobe, they're updating their home decor. I mean, everything is light and fresh and beautiful, and all of that can be really fun. But there's one item that usually gets neglected when we're doing spring cleaning. And this item is your travel size toiletries and makeup. Yes, I know that it saves time to keep your travel size toiletries stored, ready to go when you're packing, right? So you keep them in your travel size organizer, in a drawer somewhere, in a closet, ready to go. So when you pack for your next trip, all you have to do is grab and go. And yes, I agree 100%. That is a great tip. But after a while, these travel size toiletries, they're getting old, right? They're only getting older. And as they get older, you know what they're collecting? They're collecting nasty bacteria that we put on our skin and our hair. And let me tell you, that is happening even if you use your travel size toiletries on a regular basis. Even if you use these travel size toiletries frequently, or more than once a year, they all have an expiration date. So it does not matter. After 2 years, you need to throw them away. If you use the whole container, great. You still have some of it left, I'm sorry. It's better if you throw it away, because most likely the product inside this container is old and expired and full of bacteria. The key here is to get rid of all your travel size toiletries if they are older than 2 years or 24 months. It is always a good idea to do a complete cleanup of all your travel size toiletries and get new ones before your next trip. Personally, I really like to go to the store and look through the travel size toiletries section every once in a while. First, because I'm surprised of how many of my favorite brands that didn't have travel size containers before, now they do. So I prefer to buy a product that I already know and recognize that comes in the miniature size than having to pour it from one larger container to another. Some people like to pour the product into a smaller container, and that's okay too. But that's not my preference, because they already come in the perfect size that is approved for TSA. And when I'm getting ready and I'm at the hotel or Airbnb or friend's house or wherever I'm at and I'm getting ready, I can just spot the product that is in my bag and I recognize the container because I recognize the brand. And so I know what's inside that container right away, instead of me having to figure out, oh gosh, I forgot to put the label on this container, and now I don't know if this is a body wash or conditioner or shampoo. What is this? So you may be asking, okay, fine, 2 years. But how do I know it has been 2 years since the last time I purchased this travel size toiletry? Yes, if you don't remember when was the last time you purchased this, chances are it's too old and you need to throw it in the trash. Now, if you remember the last time you travel, it's been less than 2 years and you bought this lotion or this body wash or whatever, then yes, you're probably good to use it. But if you don't remember or you think it's been more than 2 years, throw it away. Throw it away and go get yourself a new one. That's my advice. If you buy something today and you don't think you're going to remember 2 years from now when you purchase it, I have 2 tips for you. These are the 2 things I do to always remember how old this travel size toiletry is. First tip, I try to buy my travel size toiletries during the month of April when I'm doing my spring cleaning. And I try to buy my makeup either during April or September. Why? Because in April, they come up in spring and summer colors. And in September, they come out with all the fall and winter colors. So that is my trigger that I have to update some of my makeup and things like that. But when I'm doing spring cleaning, I know that if I'm cleaning the house and I'm vacuuming and I'm dusting everywhere, then it's time for me to go through my travel size toiletries and toss anything that I know I did not buy last year. The second thing I do is I take a permanent marker and I write down on the bottle, if I can, either the month and year that I purchased this travel size toiletry. I write it down on the bottle, or the month and year when it will expire. Whichever way is easier for you. That way you know, okay, 2 years from now, I bought this container in 2021 and it's now 2023. Okay, I gotta throw this away. This is no longer good. Or the expiration date will be 2023 and we are in 2023. Okay, I gotta throw it in the trash. So writing it down on the bottle or somewhere where you would remember, maybe like a piece of paper inside the travel pouch, so that you remember, oh, this is actually getting closer to being old. I have to replace it soon, or this is absolutely old and I better go buy me a new one. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.